Good morning and welcome to the Savi Boardroom here in London. My name is Mars Eakers and it's the 15th of June 2011. We'll have a quick look at what's been happening in the financial markets overnight and then take a quick look at the day ahead. The S&P places the US rating on credit watch and says a negative outlook on the debt policy gridlock. The S&P also said there's at least a 50% chance the US's rating will be cut by 1 or 2 notches within 3 months. The S&P has also said there's a downgrade chances have risen considerably even if debt ceiling is raised. And Obama has given 24 to 36 hours for his leaders to come to a debt agreement. Geithner says the US will take steps to avoid a debt default. And Bernanke says not prepared for more stimulus at this point with inflation higher. Bernanke has also said failure to raise the debt ceiling would boost interest rates. And the US Fed custody holdings rises $5.446 billion to $3.451 trillion week on week. And the Fed's balance sheet rises $8.486 billion to $2.862 trillion week on week. EU bank stress are awaited this afternoon at 5 o'clock. German Finance Minister Schäuble says Greek crisis now endangering euro as a whole. Japan's Finance Minister Noda repeats yen moves one-sided, watching the markets closely. And 40% of Japanese firms may go abroad within 3 years if conditions don't improve. That's from a poll. Bank of Japan June minutes says that 2 members said the need for more easing remains. And China January to June FDI was up 18.4% year on year. So that's US dollars 60.9 billion. South Korean central banks cut 2011 GDP forecast to 4.3% from 4.5%. And the Chilean central bank holds rates at 3.25% for the first time in 6 months, as expected. M&A news: BHP Bulletin to buy US oil firm Petrohawk for US dollars, 12.1 billion US dollars. Sorry. Okay, now looking at the day ahead, we have Eurozone trade balance out at 10. The market is expecting a minus 3.2 billion read. We then have US CPI out at 130, and the market is expecting a minus 0.1% read. Industrial reduction then follows at 215. The market is expecting a 0.3% read. And Michigan confidence is out at 255. 72 read is expected there. Be aware also the EBA are publishing the bank stress test for Europe, and that comes out at 5 o'clock. That is it from us here at Savi. I hope you have a good day and good luck trading.